Hey guys, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Are you facing the issue of emails just not showing up in your GoDaddy inbox? This is one of the most annoying emails issues out there, but luckily, it's usually pretty simple to fix. The problem could be anything from full storage space and wrong spam filters to incorrect forwarding rules or outdated DNS settings. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest fixes to get those emails flowing back into your inbox. And if you're still stuck after trying these solutions, don't hesitate to reach out to our experts at the numbers displayed on the screen. Let's begin and get your emails coming through again. Solution 1. Check if everything is as required. Make sure your computer or phone is connected to a stable and high-speed network connection. Update your GoDaddy app and your device operating system. If there's no issue with the connection and your problem still persists, then let's follow the next method to check your email DNS settings. Method 2. Make changes in the DNS settings. Open your web browser on your computer and type GoDaddy into the search bar. When the search results show up, click on the sign in link under GoDaddy. Now enter your GoDaddy username and password. Take a second to make sure they're typed correctly. Once you've got everything filled, click the sign in button. You should now see the GoDaddy account dashboard. Scroll down until you find the domain section, then hit Manage button next to your domain name. When the new page loads, make sure DNS is selected in the left-hand panel. Now, click on the Name Server tab near the top. Next, click on Change Name Servers. A pop-up window will appear. Simply select the recommended option for your domain and click Save. If you're still facing the problem, then continue with the next solution. Also, if the solution helped you fix the problem, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Method 3. Check the GoDaddy system status. For the first step, you need to access your GoDaddy dashboard. After that, go to the Email tab in the sidebar. Next, click on the Help Center option at the top. On the next page, you should click on the System Status option. Now, you need to look for Email and Productivity option to ensure it is operational.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.